Hello, wonderful people. This is Thibault from The Brief, and today we're here to talk about custom image model, a particular feature in The Brief that I love. This feature allows you to train an image model based on a specific style, like the images on the left, so that after you've trained the model, you will be able, with text to image, to generate images that will always fit that specific style. This is extremely powerful if you want to generate images with AI that will always follow a particular style, like the style of your brand. So why do we need this feature? Well, let me show you a simple example. Let's say that this is the style of your brand and you want to generate images that fit that particular kind of like vector, cartoonish style. Now, if you try to express this with your words in a prompt, it's going to be really hard to really always have the same result, to be consistent. So what happens is that if you, for instance, say, if you provide a prompt that says a crocodile on a scooter, this is with GPT Image 1 or Midjourney or Nano Banana, what you're going to get if you don't use custom training. Now, if you use the feature custom image model in BrandKit that you find here in the settings, you will be able to upload specific images, like the images that we just talked about from your brand. And after the model is trained, you will be able to generate images that will fit the particular style. So if I say crocodile on a scooter, I will get for these 3 images that specific result. That's as simple as that. And that's really, really awesome. It will allow you to generate assets or images that always fit that particular style. This is really, really useful. Now, let's see how we can use it in the brief. When you go in the brief, in your brand kit, if you select your brand kit, you will find a custom image model option. When you click on it, you will find this state, and here you can upload the images to train your style. You need only 10 images. 10 is the sweet spot. PNG is ideal. You will then upload your images and train your style. It takes between 60 to 90 minutes, and after it's trained, it's ready to go. Then how do you use it? You go to Insert, AI Media, and then you will go to Text to Image. And when you do that, if you pick a general style, just to illustrate, let's say we're going to pick, digital art, and you want to generate an asset for your ad. If you say a little blue character opening a door meant to illustrate curiosity to kids, and we enhance that prompt and we generate an asset with this prompt, we're going to get those results. This is not what I want. This is very generic and this is not fitting my brand. Now, because I custom trained a model and it's available in my brand kit, if I go into brand style and I select the brand style that I have here, and I will generate my assets, again, using the exact same prompt, we're going to see the results are going to be radically different. Boom, that's it. This is fitting my particular style that I've trained the model on. This is awesome. I can just select that. I'm going to drag and drop it here in my scene. I'm going to remove background, and this is ready to go. I notice the color is a little bit different, so there I need better contrast. I'm going to change that. I'm going to go with something a little bit more like this to have better contrast. Now check it out. I have all of my ads updated with that asset. Everything is on brand. I will go here and check this, change this a little bit, change the size. Now this is awesome. I have my assets that look exactly on brand. I can generate a text to image, anything, it will always fit that style. Now let's look at another example I wanted to show you now. I'm back here inside the mood board. Love this feature in the brief. Here's my set of images. I've trained another model and I've generated all these images with text to image using that particular custom image model. You can see look at the quality of these images. It's super realistic. The realism is incredible. And you can see that it's fitting exactly that vibe. This is awesome for, prototyping, for generating, storyboards, and even creating production ready assets. So you can see, look at the quality. This quality of these images is just insane. And here on the right, I even took one of these images, this one from the woman that's sitting in the train, and I've used image to video to animate it. And you can see with image to video, with VO 3.1 that's integrated into the brief, I brought this to life. Now look at this one here. I love this style, and this style is more like Americana, kind of like nostalgic vibe, kind of like Kodak spirit here. Now notice that I've trained that model, and these images were generated using that style. Look at the consistency. Look at the vibe. This is exactly what my original kind of like image set looks like, and I was able now to create all these images fitting that particular style using the custom trained model. Same thing, notice that I'm using the same prompt, the woman by the window in the train, and I'm going to now play this video And look at that. VO 3.1 at work here, doing the magic with that image coming from the custom image model. I hope you like it. Custom image model is an incredible feature within the brief that allows you to generate branded assets, stock photography that is going to look like exactly your brand. That's it. I hope you liked it. This is a really cool feature from the brief custom image model. I hope you give it a try and you create some awesome stuff for your brand. Thank you. Bye-bye.